Здравствуйте, мы ученики 5 класса. Хотим представить вам наш проект, над которым мы работали на уроках английского языка. Мы расскажем вам об экологических проблемах, путях их решения. Мы дорожим природой и понимаем ее значимость. Мы создали цветочный календарь, и каждый из нас выбрал цветок, который является символом наших семей. People all over the world think about our planet. They think about air, water, plants and animals on the earth. They say our planet is in danger. Many people do not know how to protect wild animals and plants, how to keep water clean and the air fresh, but they are all ready to do it. They try and help nature.
Water is very important for life on Earth. It is in our oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. There is a lot of water on Earth, and at the same time there is little water on it. This is because very little water on Earth is good for drinking. For example, the Baltic Sea. The sea is very beautiful, but now it is in great danger because of the factories which are near it. In some places, the water in the sea is so dirty that kills the animals and the plants in the sea and around it.
Which do you find the most harmful for our planet? Deforestation, air pollution, species extinction, water pollution, global warming.
We have done a survey at our school. These are the results of our survey. The most important is water pollution. Very important is water pollution. Important is species extinction. Less important is deforestation, and not so important is global warming.
People start pollution, people can stop it.
What can we do for our planet? At our school, we collect paper to save trees.
We are a part of the environment.
We should use recycled stationery, plant more trees and flowers.
Some people activities do a lot of harm to the forests. People cut down trees to build farms, homes and roads. Modern plants and factories send a lot of smoke to the atmosphere. This is also very bad, because nowadays it's difficult to breathe in big cities. So, the problem now is to protect life on the earth and to save our planet for the future.
Planting flowers is a good idea, as flowers play an important role in our human life. First of all, they are the best way to express our feelings. Thirdly, it's difficult to imagine any event in life without them. Most of all, they give us not only the beauty, they are the length of the earth. We learned that each month of the year has a special flower. For example, the snowdrop is the flower of January.
We like flowers very much, most of them are snowdrops, and that's why we have chosen the snowdrop as a symbol of our family. By the way, all members of my family were born in spring. It seems that the snowdrop is a very fragile and weak flower, but I think it's very strong. It appears when it's rather cold and there is still snow. Like this flower, my family is strong because we are together. We can talk or simply keep silent, and we know that our family is a place where we are safe. The flower for February is a primrose. Primroses can be white, yellow, red, purple, pink, rose and orange. They grow wild in some countries in Europe and North America, but you can find lots of them in China.
The flower of the month of March is a daffodil. It appears very early in spring too. The flower has long leaves and a sweet pleasant smell. The flower of the month of April are daisies. You can see them everywhere, in fields, gardens and even roadsides. I have got a family. It is big. That's why we have chosen the white daisy as a symbol of our family. And the white daisy has a lot of petals. I love my family, and I like nature too. By the way, the flower of the month of May is a hawthorn. It grows wild on a small tree, and its blossoms are white, red or pink.
The flower for June is the honeysuckle. I have got a family. It isn't big. We have got a country house. There we have got many flowers. They are morning glories, honeysuckles, hopes and others. We have chosen water lily as an emblem of our family because we like water, we like to visit places connected with water, we like to swim and dive. I love my family. By the way, the flower for August is a poppy. Poppy can be orange, yellow and red. Poppy often grow wild in fields and mountains.
The morning glory is September flower. It is a climbing plant with blue or purple flower. We have chosen the morning glory as a coat of arms of our family because their green leaves look like a small green hat. The October flower is the hop. It is a climbing plant too often decorate its country house.
The flower for November is the chrysanthemum. It is one of the oldest known flowers. It has been grown in Japan for nearly 2,000 years and is the national flower and the emblem of that island country. This lovely flower can be white, yellow, red, purple or pink. We have decided to choose the yellow chrysanthemum as an emblem of our family because it looks like the sun, and my mother was born in November. I love my family. We are a friendly family. December's plant is the holly. Its flowers have produced red berries for the Christmas season. The holly has prickly green leaves. It is an evergreen.
The President of the Russian Federation, Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin, declared the year 2017 the year of ecology in Russia.
It is done to attract people's attention to ecological problems in Russia, to save biodiversity, to provide eco-safety in the Russian Federation.
We must take care of nature. We must find the right balance between people, land, animals and plants around us. We depend on our planet. We depend on sun, on animals and plants around us. We must take care of nature. We must find the right balance between people, land, animals and plants around us. We depend on our planet. We depend on sun, on animals and plants around us. Thank you for your attention.